This is the Smith Corona Sterling typewriter. This is from like the mid 1960s. It's all manual. Unlike the Coronet I have, this one is not electric and has the real type ribbon in it. It's another hammer one. I'm trying to get out of the way of the spotlight. This one, however, is a manual hammer type. You really got to get a good strike down to get a nice imprint on the paper. Types in black and highlighted red, and it also has a feature for correction where you put a piece of correction paper. The stuff I have is called correction paper, but I guess you could use correction tape too. You'd put that on there, type the same letter that you mistook on the last try, and then retype the proper letter over the white that was typed with the correction tape. Set it back to black. This one actually has a good ribbon in it too. I've done a lot of typing on it. It's got a nice feel to it. It has the bell and everything. This is how you advance the paper too. It's like hitting enter on a computer. It's got the adjustable margins, the multiple spacing for single, double, or triple spaced. It's got the paper holder up here. It's gone blurry again, but very cool. I love typewriters.